Hello, my name is Alper and I am the instructor of this online course. In this course, I will first introduce the basics of Python. Next, I will introduce some other popular technologies and I'm gonna show how to start using Python with these technologies. In order to take this course, you don't need to be a developer or expert in IT. As long as you are interested in coding, you have internet access, and you have enough knowledge on using computer, you can subscribe this course. During this course, you will see that Python is easy to learn, easy to use, high-level, strong language, and you can code with Python for many purposes. For example, XML, web, database, cloud computing, graphical user interface development, file processing, data processing, and other tasks. By the way, Python is also very strong in order to perform computations related to finance, mathematics, physics, accounting, engineering, networking, testing, artificial intelligence, etc. The objective of this course is to help you start learning Python, whatever your profession is. If you need to perform some computation, or if you are interested in coding for some applications, this course will provide you a quick introduction and it will help you very much. You are very welcome to my online course. Thanks for watching.